Hey folks, I'm gonna open this up. I think I paid like $10.99 or something, or $10.99 one of those packages. But let's see what kind of thing is in here. Opening up. This came from Pennsylvania. It's a mystery box from eBay. Listen, I paid $9.99 for this, plus $3.49 for shipping. So let's see. I think it's like 40 packs, 40 cards in a pack, and it's very nice. Hey James, I hope you're doing well. It's really an extra, although please let me know during issues like that. Your friend Walter. Always remember Jesus loves you. So kind of nice of him. So I paid like $9.99 for this. Let's see. I think it came in a little bit of protective gear, but here it is. Somewhat, decent envelope. So I'm going to open this for the first time, see what kind of great treasure I'll find in here. Sometimes they're just hard to get these things out without any kind of damage. So the first card I get is a Michael McGunn. Looks like a Chrome, Topps Chrome. 2020. Letter Chrome card. Walter Williams Chrome. Let's see the update. Oh, it has an update because he's already played with the Giants. That's what I have. Oh, I got Hall of Famer. Albert Pujols, future Hall of Famer. Number 24. This is a 2020. A Corey Dickinson. Bobby Dylan. That Chrome rookie card. Get it on my good pile. How cool, Diamond King. Texas Bulldog. Got like a Topps tribute. 1960 card. Carlos Santana. And you got like a common card, David Holder. 88, Don Russ. New York. I can't really know this guy's name. Ooh, kind of cool. Ethan Hawkins from Don Russ. 2020. Durban White. 1997. Like a Topps. And you got a common card. Yeah. Got my C up with Fred Morgan. A 1990 Topps. Oh, vintage card. Rick Brent Hagaren. That's really cool. First he died this year. It's a good thing about him. The sound ball. I did like review about the sound ball first time. We got John Innan. Yeah, like a Don Russ. Ooh, got totally Chrome. Bryce Field, Chrome. 2020. Oh, I kind of sad. Don Zimmer. I think he died. I think he's kind of sick. You should go on YouTube and find videos of him getting arguing with our umpires. A Skeeter Barnes card for the Giants. But really cool. I like these kind of cards. And the back card kind of really cool. Action pack. Always like these kind of cards. Of course, I get a checklist. It's a waste. And they got a Lucas Joey. a 2019, what's this one? Is a game opening card, Tops. Really nice picture. Rookie card. And they got Cousin Holiday, like a Diamond Kings. Carter Boomin, 2019 card. Rookie card. Whoa, what is it? Angels. Like a vintage. Heretic Tops. Eric Puke, I married him with the A's. I married him. This was his first. So yeah, he just didn't go to the World Series. Yeah. He got traded that year. And he got a Chuck Finley rookie card from player 1988 player. I kind of like the style of it. Got a Poodle Seville. Tops. Oh, got a rookie card. Kessler Ore. Tops. Top rookie card. Really nice chrome. Joey Little. Could be Hall of Famer. This is a Bowman 2020 Bowman Select 1985 February edition Joey helmet. A good hard card. Oh, upside down. Look, a future Hall of Famer, Miguel. Definitely a future Hall of Famer. Interesting guy. You should watch him on YouTube. Personality, kind of fun to watch. You can tell he really loves playing baseball. Trank is it? Yeah, 2020 Tops or Bowman card. I guess they merged with Bowman or something. And Tops or Bowman. A Corey Station. Car, I'm not sure what Tops. Interesting style. Look is good. Don't know much about him. He gets with Chicago. And there's no logo. For some reason, Donruss lost the rights to the logo. I also got a rookie card, Miles Drew. Rookie card. First Bowman maybe. Silver Prius. Bowman. 2019 card. Lance Lern, Texas Rangers. You got a cool little stadium thing on the side of it. And Tops Chad. Not much about his career. All you guys know about Diamond King. Diamond King. Kind of cool style kind of card, honestly. Yeah, sure, I'm gonna do those cards. Also Diamond King too. Well, Troy Hawkins, Victory card. Don't know about much of his card. And last, a common card. James 88 Donruss. So let me know what you think, like and comment. I've heard different things to this channel. So once again, I pay like $9 for this. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.